If your kitchen counter is crowded with appliances, an air fryer, toaster, oven, and dehydrator, and you're still struggling to cook meals quickly, then today's review might completely change the way you cook at home. We're taking a close look at the Ninja French Door Premier Air Fryer Oven FO101, a powerful all-in-one cooking system designed to replace multiple appliances while delivering faster, crispier, and more precise results. The purchase link is available in the description below. Let's start with a common problem. Many people love air fryers because they make crispy food with less oil, but most air fryers are small. They're great for snacks, but not so great when you're cooking for an entire family. Traditional ovens solve this size problem, but take forever to preheat and often cook unevenly. That means you're waiting longer for food and sometimes flipping trays just to cook everything evenly. This is where the Ninja French Door Premier Air Fryer Oven really shines. It combines the power of a high-performance air fryer with the versatility of a convection oven and toaster, giving you 10 different cooking functions in a single appliance. That means you can air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, reheat leftovers, dehydrate fruits, cook pizza, and even roast a whole chicken, all without switching appliances. One of the standout features is its large air frying capacity. The included 5-quart air fry basket can hold up to 5 pounds of French fries, which is perfect for family dinners, game nights, or meal prep. But capacity isn't the only advantage. The cyclonic air technology circulates superheated air at temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, creating that crispy golden texture everyone loves, without needing excessive oil. And if you're trying to eat healthier, this matters. Air frying with this oven can reduce fat content by up to 75% compared to traditional frying, while still delivering that crunchy texture. Another feature that makes this appliance incredibly convenient is the 90-second preheat time. Instead of waiting forever for a traditional oven to heat up, this system gets ready fast, helping you cook meals up to 60% faster than conventional ovens. Now, let's talk about the design, because it's actually one of the most satisfying aspects of using this appliance. The French door design opens smoothly with a single pull, giving you wide access to the cooking space. It's sleek, modern, and surprisingly practical when placing trays or checking your food. Plus, the cooking surfaces are made without PFAS, which means you can prepare meals with added peace of mind. And when dinner is finished, cleanup is incredibly simple. The air fry basket, sheet pan, broil rack, and wire rack are all dishwasher safe. And there's even a removable crumb tray that helps keep the oven clean. Now, let's quickly break down the most important features. Key features 10. 1. Cooking versatility. Air fry, bake, roast, pizza, broil, reheat, toast, bagel, dehydrate, and whole roast. Large 5-quart air fry basket. Cook up to 5 pounds of fries or large family meals. 450 degrees Fahrenheit, cyclonic air technology. Fast, even cooking without rotating trays. Up to 60% faster cooking. Quick 90-second preheat saves valuable time. Healthier frying. Enjoy crispy foods with up to 75% less fat. French door design. One-hand pull doors open smoothly for easy access. PFAS-free cooking surfaces designed for safer meal preparation. Dishwasher-safe accessories. Easy cleanup after every meal. So who should consider this appliance? If you love air-fried foods but constantly run out of space, this oven gives you the capacity you need. It's also perfect for busy families who want faster cooking times, meal preppers who cook large batches, or anyone who wants to simplify their kitchen by replacing several appliances with one. Instead of juggling an air fryer, toaster, and oven separately, the Ninja French Door Premier Air Fryer Oven brings everything together into a single sleek cooking station. The result? Faster meals, less clutter, healthier cooking, and a lot more convenience. If you want to check the latest price or see current availability, click the link in the description below. And if you enjoy discovering smart kitchen gadgets that actually save time and improve cooking results, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and kitchen upgrades. Don't miss out, grab yours today.